we'll guide you through how to find a Wix promo code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log in to your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the pricing page by clicking on the Pricing tab at the top of the homepage. Here you can see different plans and their prices. Now, open a new tab in your browser and search for Wix promo codes using your preferred search engine. You will find various websites offering promo codes. Be sure to use a reputable site. Once you find a promising code, copy it. Go back to the Wix pricing page and select the plan that suits your needs by clicking Select or Get Started next to the plan. You will be taken to the checkout page. Here, look for a field that says Enter promo code or Have a promo code. Paste the code you copied earlier into this field, and then click Apply to see if the discount is accepted. If the promo code is valid, you should see a reduction in the total price. If not, you might want to try another code from your search results. Keep in mind that promo codes often have expiration dates or specific terms, so it's important to check those details. Once you're satisfied with the discount, proceed to enter your payment details and complete the purchase. Using a promo code can be a great way to save money on your Wix subscription, so it's worth taking a few minutes to search for a valid one. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.